Check. With a bit of mic, no rip up the set. With a bit of Sh1R crew. You know what to do with the Sh1R boys productions in your function coming stronger. When I'm on a microphone, I'm coming on at ya. Spin it, now spin that vinyl with the ones and twos, now vinyl, no with a bit of steel, with a bit of bounce, so we say steel in, with a bit of bounce, so with a rock shot to that up one time. Party crew, you know what to do, hands up, get you moving, chickadee jump one time. When I'm on the mic, when I'm on the mic, turn on 2:49 now, back to the intent, no JGS Productionz, Sh1R boys Productionz, now here we fucking go, picking up that tempo, not up to control, yo. Yeah, you know, hike it up, not twist out flow, with a bit about so pull that clutch now coming on that jar, feet to the floor, now feeling girl or one time, with a bit about boy coming on that jar with the hardcore rhyme, and now hardcore rain, now hardcore style, with a bit about you in for out, yeah, you know it's me, what face to there, with a bit of beat, now backstand track, back with the beat, with the bass, I'm booming. Twist that flow, get jagged grooving here. Now here we go, picking up back by body, done with a bit about so check this out, gonna get you moving, and I'm moving, no respect to effect. What is that in direct? Respect to the party, Posse effect. Echo, Banks, Monkey Posse. Monkey Posse, move your body. I'm gonna make me shake me shake. White concentrate, white your supernova. Taking over the scene now that you know it's me. With a bit of feeling ring. Now swiftly hike it up. Now when I'm on, I'm like, no give a fuck. Now coming on that challenge. On F350, quad through her guitar. No troops, are you with me? Troops deploy, make some noise. Shit, this shuffle. I'm gonna make her coming on that chap. Happy royalty. 1, 2, 3. Now for you to therefore picking up back with a cool now master, now with a cool G, with a cool now master, now what they be now do rocket set, wide and direct for the crew, now coming on through, check one fucking ticket two, when back start back. Don't think so, I'd rather have a J. Now come with me, now roll out rocket, now roll what Hellboy MD, now coming on roll what dice, one twice, maybe fucking fly, show with them on the microphone, I feel in fucking spines, I know we could pretend I wanna, on a bender with the tricks, I'm on the mic, no voicing up, no never fucking stop in, no don't touch shit, don't church for toe, hell on the mic, don't always control, what, always smoke every fall, no Hellboy MD, roll it up, to that at the end, coming at ya, pass it long to a flare coming at your waving direct, yo, when I'm on the microphone, no never stopping to the top, no from the song that went, Ken, you know my fucking name, oh, know what they be now, drive you insane, no when I'm on the mic, you know my name, twist it, hike it up, anything else with the tunes, no what saying, yes, you know, look at your Posse, gonna move your body, yo. Respect to the party, Posse inside, north, east, southwest. You know we're doing it, rocking best. Now with a bit of wicked, with a bit of backside, type to kick it into get off to a gear, no hand back, so no on the run. Now with a bit of backside, do work fresh. You know I'm cutting dash, yo, west, right out of here. With a bit of backside, drop out, yo.